Welcome back to the Porsche 944 rebuild. I'm Matt, this is Twiggs T4, and today we're going to be taking the next big step, which is attempting to remove the engine out of the car. We've already stripped out the melted plastics and the wiring loom in the previous episode, episode number 2, and we're almost ready to pull the engine out of the car. We now need to jack it up, get the under tray off, get the fluids drained out, and then we can go from there. So I'm going to get some overalls on and then we'll get stuck straight into it. That is it. The Porsche 944 engine is finally out and we can see daylight. Happy days. So now the engine is finally out, we can actually see what we're working with. The paint's obviously burnt off and the wiring loom's gone, all the rubber, everything's pretty much melted, but structurally it actually looks really good. A lot better than what I expected. So the next job will be cleaning all of this back to bare metal and then prepping it and getting everything ready for the paint, and then we can assess the engine and what needs to be done with that. So removing this engine has actually been a little bit challenging. As you saw from the time lapse, we removed the engine from taking it from above. If anyone knows any better ways of doing this, any advice would be much appreciated. So let us know down below in the comments. We've done all of this without any kind of manuals or anything. And I think we're looking at about 5.5 hours in total for the whole day, which I don't think is too bad for where we're at. So that is it. The engine is out. That is the end of episode 3. This is a massive step forward for us for this rebuild and this project. So next time we will be getting on with, obviously all of the paintwork and the engine prep and all the rest of it. So if you're enjoying the series, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and it helps support the channel and support this build. So until next time, thank you very much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.